If you're really into weather apps on the iPhone and are always looking for the latest and greatest, then Clima should be your next app to check out. But how does it stack up against the rest of the competition? Can it be the next best weather app for iPhone? Let's take a look. Clima is a design-focused weather app, so naturally has a very forward-thinking interface. It reminds me of the clear to-do list app with the bright colors, clean lines, and stacked interface that gradually changes color from top to bottom. Additionally, tapping and swiping through the app screens and menus can be a little bit confusing at first. It's very intuitive once you've used the app for some time. The sans serif typeface in Clima is easy to read, and the icons make it easy to recognize the current weather conditions from a glance. When the app launches for the first time, you'll be prompted for your current location, and then the app will show you the basics of how to navigate. The main screen will be the current temperature from where you are right now, which is shown in the center of the colored bar that symbolizes it. Tapping on it will show the sunset and sunrise info, cloud coverage, precipitation chance, and wind. You can swipe to the right for an hourly chart of temperature, rainfall, and wind, and a single tap will go through these three views. Swiping from the left from the main screen will bring up the daily forecast, where you can switch between temperature, precipitation, and wind. If you pull the screen down, you can add more cities and choose the ones you want to display the weather information for. There is no limit to the number of spots you can save. You can also access the settings from here, which include choosing between Celsius and Fahrenheit, as well as distance measurements for wind. A swipe up on the current temperature will bring up the notifications view. From here, you can create a new alert when there are severe weather conditions, such as rain, snow, and temperature changes. Select the one you want, choose the time, and then pick the location you want to be notified of. All in all, the app's interface is minimal, but it still gives you all of the weather information you need to get through the day. It's easy to use and was reliable in my extended testing. As pretty as it is, most of the screen is just devoid of information, just filled with a color. Additionally, the app's notifications are more helpful than you might think. Clima is not a universal app, and it requires iOS 7 or later. It certainly brings a nice sense of style, and while it is 99 cents, I would still for sure recommend it. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, as it really does help me out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.